The joint venture partnership Southwest One has created a shared customer contact centre for Taunton Deane Borough Council and Somerset County Council. The innovative solution is dramatically improving customer satisfaction, simplifying access to council services and reducing costs.
In terms of the challenges Taunton Deane faced, they were considerable. We operated a call centre, but this was not achieving the targets that had been set. It was difficult with limited resources to set up the full facilities that we required, and that is why we started looking outside, not only to improve services to our community, but also to reduce costs.
Southwest One is a partnership of three public authorities, Somerset County Council, Taunton Deane Borough Council, Avon and Somerset Police, with IBM. It brings together the three public partners with a private partner on a common platform, and that gives benefits both in terms of reducing the cost as well as a more consistent service to the people that use it.
The solution enabled by the Southwest One private-public partnership has really been around consolidating contact centres, bringing in new technology such as the customer relationship management system, a single telephony platform, but also a resource planning system that enables us to more closely match the profile of staff to the profile of the incoming calls. But we also put in place dedicated training for staff, which has helped us to really improve the overall customer experience.
Southwest One has created the single point of access through the two call centres, and the community just call the number, whether it's Somerset County Council or Taunton Deane Borough Council, and the call centre operators can deal with either, thereby not having to be transferred to one council or the other. It's all dealt with at the first point of contact.
The main improvements that we've seen within Southwest One customer contact to the service has really been the speed of answer, and that's significantly improved.
Good afternoon, you're through to Sade. How can I help you?
Previously, we could have been talking about 12 minutes to answer a call. We're now talking about seconds. But also the actual customer satisfaction level, as measured by our automatic customer satisfaction system, is regularly reporting 85–90% satisfaction levels, which really is significant.
The merging of the contact centres into two has not impacted upon our community at all. It has been a seamless transition for them. For the employees, I feel it has been a great improvement. We have provided two purpose-built call centres with a great environment for them to work in.
The partnership are reducing costs by bringing two organisations together. We have economies of scale, we have a leaner management and supervisory team, we have less buildings, and we've also rationalised the technology that we use. So previously we had two installations of a CRM system, a telephony system and a resource planning system, and now we have one system for both authorities.
The additional benefits that the partnership has brought to the two councils in the area of customer service is very much around resilience and ability to withstand the sorts of problems that you might see on a day-to-day basis. For example, during the snow, when some people can't make it in, we can move people to critical services so that the citizens of Somerset are still supported during those times when they need access to the councils.
Yes, certainly, that's fine. Can I take your name?
The role of IBM has been very instrumental in Southwest One. So although the majority of staff are secondees from the individual authorities, the customer service operation had a transition lead from IBM who was able to harness all of the benefits of working alongside IBM and support the process and the change management that was necessary, really.
The next steps for Southwest One in continuing to improve customer service really relate to further efficiencies, driving improvements both in terms of the contact as well as HR finance services, but also in expanding that service to other agencies and other groups of people across the South West.